Hello people, come to my kitchen. If you are tired of tomato stew, come let's cook ofada stew or Ayamase stew. Come. So guys, I added in vegetable oil. It's a quick recipe, easy and fast. After that, I added in diced onion, ring meat, stockfish, cow skin, cow leg, shaki. Then I added in my roughly blended pepper, onion. So guys, if you want to make it easier, blend it roughly, put it in a sieve like that, it will cook fast. So I stirred together, added in rosemary, I gave it another quick stir, and that is it. So now I will add in the remaining meat, a body, beef meat, just the slime of the meat stock. All my returnees, thank you. I see your like, your comments. May the good Lord bless you. Keep commenting, keep commenting, keep liking, keep sharing. If you are new to the channel, guys, follow for more amazing video. I have cooking videos, set recipe, family lifestyle. If this is the kind of channel you want, follow me for more amazing video. Push the notification bell on so that anytime we upload, you will be notified. Feel free to check my channel out for other videos that you might find helpful. What is ofada stew without egg, without fish, without crayfish? Guys, have you tried your ofada stew with stockfish? Is a go. Try it and you will thank me later. So I gave it a quick stir, and now I will just add some salt, add some seasoning because it needed it. So I'll give it a quick stir and I'll cover and allow it to cook for 1 second. Guys, you can go with brown rice, white rice, black rice, red rice, any kind of rice that you can imagine. Enjoy. See you in my next one. Ready? Bye.